It is 19th of September 2019. WiKiSPEED Stand-Up. Rex. Rex, do you want me to kick it off?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So it's Michael Wolchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. Last week I was on Stand-Up and got the video posted, so it's on the WiKiSPEED YouTube account under the Stand-Ups. I need to get Lauren's GitHub name, and anybody that actually wants to contribute to the GitHub, I have to add them to the account as a contributor so that they can upload. And I updated a document that kind of describes the objects for our Little Red Wagon project. I haven't posted yet. That should be next week here. And that brings me to next week, which is mostly carried over from last week. Post the kind of functional code, kind of list of objects for the Little Red Wagon project. I was looking for some input from the group on how the objects need to relate and how we get data passed between the objects so that we can figure out where we are and where the beacon is so that we can follow it. Looking to get the Raspberry Pi communicating over the infrared diodes and the infrared receivers on the Arduino. And if I get it working, I'll have some video and post the test program, of course. And also related to that, drop the schematic for the infrared diode sensors with sizing of the resistors for 3.3 volts and 5 volts. And that's about it for Stand-Up. Rex, do you want to discuss?
Well, I just haven't been on the call for a long time, so I don't think I've accomplished anything.
That's fine. You don't have to accomplish anything. That'd be interesting.
Okay. I'm just curious about the Little Red Wagon project. Sounds intriguing. And kind of just want to know what the latest with. I know Joe moved his main shop down to Seattle, I think. I was curious about the status of that.
Yeah, we have some videos from late 2018, I think is when they did their last training session in the shop. Some demo videos where they were driving around their little test track area.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I remember seeing the test track.
Okay, I'm just going to go through retro here quickly.
Okay.
I achieved 3 of my 3 target points, so I'm going to give myself a 10 out of 10 because I didn't have a very high list. And I'm going to give 8 for the team because there's 2 of us on Stand-Up, which is better than 1. And unfortunately, it's pretty tough to do a process improvement when there's only a couple people on the call. So I'm going to leave that out. So that brings us to crosstalk. If you want to talk about the Little Red Wagon project, I guess.
Okay. Sounds great.
The Little Red Wagon project is a kind of a follow me device. Lauren's use case was carry his water bottle and the towel and the various stuff that you use when you're doing a marathon, and you don't want to carry it all yourself. So
yeah.
The concept is you put on a belt that has a couple of infrared transmitters on it, 4 of them actually, and it follows you at a set distance, and kind of the goal. Uh, the implementation, of course, is far more challenging. And he wants to actually last for a 10K marathon, which is not a trivial exercise.
Oh
My use
yeah.
case is to have a kind of a mechanized wheelbarrow, carry my wife's uh, potting soil and fertilizer and tools and stuff. We have a little bit of a hilly yard, so as she's going around doing her thing, it would just be easier if it followed her around, or in fact went in front of her. We're not sure quite how we would get that done, but that's one
Okay.
of the interesting parts of the software. So those are the two use cases we've got right now, and what we're kind of aiming for is a generic frame with motors that can be steered and driven
Yeah.
remotely, or have it follow you, or whatever we come up with software.
Yeah, I have seen. So I attended the Microsoft Hackathon earlier this year in the summer. I guess it's just a couple months ago, and they had all different. Was their customer hackathon, a bunch of different companies that had teams doing interesting things, and Segway was one of them. And so Segway had this little robot that would follow you, and you could do hand motions. It would recognize certain gestures um, for different commands, and then it would follow you around. So that was interesting.
Yeah, I think that starts at 800 or $1,000 US kind of thing. I remember.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
who
actually one
knows?
of the things that Lauren was considering buying, and he was hoping we could build it instead.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, it's a software. Um, T-Mobile had a group too that had a little car that it was machine learning, and they were trying to have it learn to do a drive around it like a track and like watch the white lines and I guess follow a line, and that was interesting.
Were they trying to get it to figure out the fastest line around the track? Is that the project you're talking about?
Well, they were just trying to like let it stay between the lines
Oh,
and do an oval like a track. It had cameras on it and stuff. It was just a little like a remote control car, but it had software and it didn't always make it. Like it didn't always learn, I guess.
yeah.
It's
That's.
funny.
I don't believe even software learns until it makes mistakes.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's kind of the state of where we are with the project. We kind of we bought a couple of remote control trucks, did a little bit of probing to figure out what pin had to go high or low in order to make it go forward, reverse, steer. So that's the mobile platform we're using. It's like cheap, and we get some code that'll run back and forth with an Arduino using the remote, a little bit on the
Yeah.
go. Ran into some trouble with Beacon. Uh, Arduinos don't like sending multiple serial streams out different things, so we're actually using the Raspberry Pi for that. And it's sort of a real computer, and it'll
Uh-huh.
handle that sort of task. But everything takes time, and we're just plugging along.
Yeah.
Oh, you froze, so you're having data issues.
What's that?
Your video is stopped, so I'm assuming you're having data issues.
Oh yeah, maybe. Kind of out. I don't know what happened here.
Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
okay. Maybe I was on a different thing. So are you still working on cars in your
We
shop?
haven't had any progress on the cars for a little bit. We basically don't have anybody with an operable car to participate in the development. So guys in the shop, in Joe's shop, haven't dialed in for quite some time. So they could be doing stuff. We're actually not sure.
Oh, that's interesting. So they could be doing something.
They could be doing something. I'm not sure because we haven't seen any video posts. They haven't dialed in.
Okay. Well, maybe I can sniff around and see what's going on.
Sure. Any news would be good.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I mean, I think we visited the shop before, he moved it, the Linwood shop. That's the last time I've been there. Maybe last year. But
Well,
yeah, I know he's teaching Scrum.
Probably. Where I think he's all over the world doing that. Is it safe for you to be driving while you're on the phone?
I got both hands on the wheel. Yeah, you could question that, but I think, yeah, I'm not supposed to be tapping on the screen. And maybe I'm supposed to have one ear. I don't know which one's the microphone. Can you still hear me?
Yep. Yeah, I can still hear you.
Cool. Okay, yeah, I just got these new headphones too, so I'm just testing stuff out.
Oh yeah, they're decent. I don't hear any noise from the car, so they're are they
Really?
noise canceling?
Nice.
I'll get the video posted. You can actually listen to it to see how your headset works.
Okay. And you post it on, is it the YouTube channel?
Yep.
Or where?
It's there's a what's the groups of videos called? The channel called a.
Is it the WiKiSPEED
Yeah,
YouTube channel?
it's under WiKiSPEED. Yep, and it's under the list of stand-ups. I'm sorry, I'm having
Oh,
a
list of
senior moment. I
stand-ups.
can't.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that'll be fun. I have done videos while I'm driving. I have a fun little series I like to call Wrecks on the Road. It was a while back. I haven't done quite a few in a while. And lately it's been with my teenage daughter's friends in the car, and we just have a conversation, do something funny while I'm driving. But it was a while ago. I had a long commute, and I was really bored during the commute, so I decided to record videos of something I learned or whatever. I don't know. It's funny.
Yeah, well, anything that keeps you awake, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, if there's anything else you'd like to talk about, we can.
Yeah, I can't think of anything right now, but it's probably as soon as we hang up, I'll think of a bunch of stuff.
Mhm.
But
That's the way it
no,
always
it's
works.
great. I'm glad I could join.
Yeah, I'm glad you remembered. So the video should be posted here. Probably about half an hour, I imagine.
Okay,
No, it's probably going to be more like an hour and a half. Sorry, my wife is
sure. Okay,
reminding
no
me that
problem.
we're going out somewhere.
All right.
Anyway, I'll let you
Yeah.
go, and hopefully we'll talk to you again next week.
Okay. Thanks
Okay,
so much.
bye bye.
Bye.